Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Anna. Today we are gonna do the matki decoration challenge.
So guys, today we are here to do some decoration as we all know the festive season is coming. So we are excited for it and we're gonna make something cute and nice with some utility.
You can see the table is full of decorations.
Right. So there are different decorating items that we have got from the market which we can use as per our creativity and imagination. So Ahana is gonna paint the matki and I'm gonna paint the piggy bank. If you remember, we used to have these piggy banks when we were small. So I'm gonna do that. So guys, we can use paints, we can use some clay, some glitter, some stickers, whatever we feel like. It's up to our imagination. So let's get started. So we are ready. So guys, we're gonna start with painting the piggy bank. I'm taking two colors, which is a crimson red and golden yellow. She has taken red to start with. So let's get started. Wow, I was trying to open this. Oh, so that's a new color. Wow. So let's get started with the painting now. Oh wow, it's looking nice, the color, no?
Mama, see mine too.
Lovely.
Color like pink. So I have done painting. So now I can show all of you the matki decorating. I'll start with these. No, I didn't. I'll start with this. I'm also done with painting. And my little sphere is drawing.
So guys, I am doing something different. I'm gonna decorate it with some clay. All I try to do is make some nice clay petals. I had only one color of clay right now, so I'm gonna paint them into different color that I want. So I am just starting now.
Mommy, can I help you?
No, no.
With my dries.
So I'm gonna stick it so that it doesn't go away.
So now my mother is the brush in it.
Where it goes?
Wait,
Oh, here it is.
here.
Wow. Such a small.
My mother is so funny. Your piggy bank looks nice.
So you're going to stuck it. Anna, you also start with your
Yeah,
stuff
so
now?
now mine has
Alright.
been done. Now you can draw the fingers. So guys, I have diamond ones. Mirrors. And let me see. No. So glue and then that. Mommy, can you get my brush?
Yeah.
So wait for a sec. Okay, I have this brush. I have it. Oh, thank you.
Just a second.
I'll take this.
And now you can take this one. It's already used for you. No?
Thank
You're welcome.
you. Mine was also gonna be fall.
Fall or fallen, Anna?
Fall. Cloud.
So here it is. Hi, look. So it's a nice, small, cute flower that I've made as yet. And I'm gonna do some more.
Okay. So I'm just gonna see how it looks. Tell me. I'll put some more and cover this like I'll put tap and cover this. Okay? So just wait for some time till that you see my mother's. So guys, I have this glitter tubes. First let me show you this. Like this, that's there I go.
Guys, it looks so beautiful, Ahana. The mirror work is looking so amazing.
Thank
I'm
you.
loving it. And the color itself is looking so gorgeous.
Now I'm gonna just
Guys, this is what I have done till now. I have done some mirror work, some painting,
Everything.
some clay work. Yeah. So
I
let's
have these glitter tubes.
see what else I'll do.
Yeah.
Till then, listen to Ahana, please.
Yeah. So I have these glitter tubes. I'm just gonna dot this muddy.
Put some dots on this one. Yeah. Lovely, lovely it looks.
Thank you. So just cutting this cord that if I will put this glitter on it, I'll just
Not be able to
ruin,
do anything more.
yeah, ruin my muddy. That's why I'm gonna make flowers with this.
And do the glitter work in the end.
Yeah.
Right, Ahana?
Right, Mom.
Till then, I got a chance on the glitter. So this is how I'm doing it.
So I'm taking out this strip.
Looking nice?
So guys, first color I'm gonna take this out. Yellow. How am I making flowers? Now just wait for some time and let me do this thing. Okay.
So guys, this is how I have done my monkey. So this is how it's gonna look. I am left with 2 more mirrors with some glitter on them. I'll just show you in a bit how it looks, the final one.
Me too. So there I go. I have done these flowers like this.
Wow, it looks beautiful, Ahana.
Thank you.
So good.
Now I'm gonna
Guys, okay, she's gonna do something more.
Mommy,
You wanna turn it? I'll help you. Wow, it looks so gorgeous, guys. You can use it for anything at home, maybe just to decorate your home, your room,
and you can
or maybe you can put something inside it, a planter.
yeah.
It's good, it's so beautiful. And guys, this is what I've done to my piggy bank. Dun, dun, dun.
Wow.
How it looks, Ahana?
It looks cute.
So this is how it
What
looks,
is
guys.
this? Is
Ahana,
this a
it's a
cupcake?
glitter on top of it. And now Ahana is just gonna finish her matki,
Yeah.
right? You're gonna do something more?
Yeah.
Yeah. So she's just gonna do that. I am done. I'm gonna keep it minimal, not too much, just to make it simple and nice.
Guys, I changed my mind. I just don't want to do anything.
Yeah, it's looking so beautiful, Ahana. We don't need to do anything else to it, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's so nice and so elegant. Beautifully done. Very nice.
I
These
just
stickers are
want-
also very nicely done. So guys, you can get all this in the market very easily. And I'm sure this is a good way to entertain your kids and keep them busy with some creativity and art at home during this time. Why don't you try it? And I'm sure everyone has got clay at home.
If you want me to make one more challenge like this, subscribe to our channel.
And more likes, please. We will do it again.
Yeah.
We're gonna do some much more, I would say, right? Many more creativity ideas we're gonna share with you very soon,
Yeah.
so that you can keep busy at home with your kids, spending time with them and getting the most of it. Thank you so much,
Thank
guys.
you for watching.
I hope you liked it,
Yeah.
and
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Bye.
I hope we both have done a good job today. It was not a challenge, it was just creativity.
Yeah.
So guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a
Thank
nice
you.
day. Bye bye.